Welcome to Yasmin Khan's Skin. This presentation will provide you with a description of your unique skin type and recommendations on how to care for your skin type. If you wish the company to develop a skincare plan for your skin type, you can contact us and we will develop a personal treatment plan for your skin type. With the correct skin diagnosis and a personal treatment plan which may include in-clinic treatment, you can be assured your skin's health will improve, resulting in a more youthful and radiant complexion.
Oily, sensitive, pigmented and wrinkled skin types are people that enjoy the sun and outdoors. What are the symptoms of this skin type?
A close-up look at your skin shows sun damage, red or brown patches, frequent acne breakouts, redness, stinging and burning in response to products.
A close-up look at your skin. You may see broken blood vessels, sunscreen feels oily, dark spots in areas of trauma.
The sensitive skin dilemma. Wrinkling and dark spots takes work for improvement. It is common to purchase products with strong ingredients that the skin cannot tolerate. The skin also have difficulty finding good sunscreens and lighteners due to the harshness of the ingredients.
Your skincare routine should address oiliness, dark spots and wrinkles, with products that deliver antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredients.
Your AM routine. Wash with a low pH cleanser. Apply a skin lightener. Apply eye cream. Optional. Apply facial lotion and a sunscreen. Apply foundation with SPF. Your PM routine. Wash with the same cleanser as in AM. Apply a skin lightener. Optional. Apply a retinol-containing product for dark spots and acne. Alternatively, a serum for redness and irritation. Apply eye cream. Optional. Apply moisturizer. Optional.